Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have Stickii. Yes, it came in the mail. I have subscribed, and I am getting me a little pack of stickers. I don't know if you know much about Stickii. I just recently learned about it from the Advent Calendar series, and they have a subscription. It runs about $12 a month, and it is $1 shipping. So inside here, we're going to have some cute little stickers. I think this is their November pack, and it has come in this cute little plastic. I want to say, like, if you have a binder, you could put this inside a binder. Isn't that cute? So yeah, I've never gotten one of their subscriptions, so this is very, very, very cute. It says, Merry Cowmas. Let's see what this has to say. This looks to be like some little cards. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if they send us any kind of product card. Does anybody know what this would be? Have you gotten stickies before to know? Is this like a book of just plain stickers where you could write on one side and then have a message on the other? I am just not sure. It feels like it's got that plasticky stuff on there, like if it was a sticker. But I don't know if that's what it is or not. So, okay, Miss Jackie doesn't know what this is. If you do, please let me know. I'd appreciate it. I have never gotten their sticker packages, so I am not big on that. This here I can recognize as an ornament that you could put on your tree, and it looks like it's a cat on top of a tree, and it's very cute. So that was inside our little sticky bag. And on the other side we have some Peel-It stickers, the night before. So it's a little sticker, and it has the night before on both of them, and it says get excited for sticky storage. So maybe they're gonna have some sticky storage information coming up. Stay organized by placing the theme stickers on the front and the back corners of the sticky storage insert. Upgrade your sticky storage though to create a collection by inserting into all standard A5 6-hole binder sticky folio available at www.stickyclub.com. So they're coming up with a new concept, and I guess this might be an example of one of the sheets where you could keep your things organized. It's got little pockets in there, and then we have this little book in there. I still don't know what this is, but obviously somebody's going to know what that is. On the other side, I have some stickers. So let's check out what kind of stickers I got for Christmas. We got some cute little stickers here of all kinds of animals on the sleigh. And on this one, we got some Christmas trees and some bears to use. And on this one, we just have Christmas tree, peppermint canes, winter wonderland, just really cute stickers. These are going to go great for, like, if you got Christmas cards that you're going to be sending out this year. Look at those little cute stickers. They do have a bunch of cute stickers, I'll have to say. Oh, this is like little teddy bears, a gingerbread. Very, very colorful and cute. Aww. Then we have some, looks like stockings and cocoa and peppermint sticks, snowmen, little bitty clear stickers that you can put on things. And then we have this one. And this one has a lot of different things in it as well. Very cute. Sleigh riding, trees. I guess those are like a little chickie. So, very interesting. And then we have this, and this looks to be like a card. So they have sent us a card that we can mail out and put some of our stickers in there and write a little note. So that is very cute. Looks like a little teddy bear, and it does come with an envelope. And the envelope is translucent. So when you're sticking it in there, I'm going to put it in the envelope. it looks like this. Can you mail this? Is this something you can mail? I'm not aware if you can, or do you have to put a sticker over it? Okay, another question. This is, like I said, totally new to Miss Jackie. I'm not real sure, but I think it's really cute. Or maybe it's just an envelope for doing a Christmas gift, and you just want to have it extra special in this see-through envelope. But whatever it is, I think it's really, really cute. And I love all my little stickers. I don't know which one's my favorite. I really like this one, and I really like this one with the little kitty cats, I think it is. And then there was one other one that caught my eye. Well, a couple of them. I like the little bears and the Christmas tree, and I like this one right here. So cute little stickers. I can't wait to use these. They're just in time for Christmas. So, hey, I can decorate some of my cards. But that is what I got in my sticky package. Again, it was $12 plus $1 shipping, which is very reasonable, I think. And then, obviously, you can go to their site and purchase a little binder if you have a sticker collection and you want to keep it all intact. I think that's just great. They come up with some great ideas. You know, in the advent calendar, they sent us envelopes for each sticker. So they're very good at putting all these together. And again, if anybody knows what this is, please let me know. It's just blank on the inside. So I just have to say it's some kind of sticker, a sticker book. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what I have. And I think it's just adorable. So you let me know what your favorites are, and if you have any comments on what I don't know what it is, y'all can give me a little less and insight. I sure would appreciate it. But that's all I have for Sticky today. Be sure and check my descriptions for any and all giveaways. I've got collaborations, and I still have the Advent Calendar series running through November 30th, 5 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. It'll be cut off, and the winners will be announced on December 1st. So be sure and check all that out. And I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving, or if this is posting after Thanksgiving, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And as for today, that's all I have, and I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.